Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't like this. Like, I don't like it at all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
It's me.
Julia is funny. But in today's video, I'm doing a DIY canvas painting. I have these canvas pieces that I want to decorate my room with because it's giving very much white, a lot of white everywhere, which is fine, which is cool, but I want to add some color to the space. Yeah, so I'm just gonna paint these canvases. This one is kind of already painted. Javeda gave me this one, and like you can see it better on the sides. It's got like the plaster artwork, so it's got a lot of texture, but it's got no color. So I think I'm just gonna, well, I'm gonna just show y'all. But moral of the story is, welcome to whatever episode this is, because I can't remember how I'm going to name them or edit them or number them. But welcome back to my channel. We're about to paint. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for amazing artwork. I have a visual in my head. We'll see how this plays out.
Yeah.
2 of the painting process. Wow, this light's really bright. It's showing up a lot better on camera now. It was like really dull, but it could have just been the lighting of it all. But moral of the story is I'm about to go back over these droopy parts because I want them to be a little bit more less strokey, like more opaque. That's what I'm trying to say. And then I'm gonna add like some dimension with some more color in them. So yeah, that's what my plan is right now.
Crunk lit in the bitch. Yeah.
No.